Hi, good day, everyone. This is Mr. Daniel or Teacher Daniel. You can call me Teacher Daniel. And just a little bit introduction about myself. I graduated Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in mathematics. I used to be a licensure exam for teachers lecturer sa Manila when I was in the Philippines. But when I moved abroad, so natigil naman siya kasi nandito na ako sa abroad, no? So, ito yung coverage niya, no? Pero ang focus lang natin sa series na muna na ito is calculus. Pagpasensya nyo na, medyo mahina pa yung aking editing skills. But later, it will improve, no? So, let's proceed. Yeah, and this is just a part one of the basic differential calculus. So, for the part one, we're going to discuss all of these formulas. Number one, sabi din dito, no? I will use Tagalog para makarelate kayo ng mas maayos. So, the derivative daw ng x to the n, yung n niya ay power. Yung power niya nilalagay sa baba, sa tabi niya, then x raised to the n minus 1. So, yan, baba, minus 1. Okay? Ito naman sabi ng derivative daw ng x. Take note, x lang, ha? Derivative daw ng x is equal to 1. Hindi 2, kundi 1. Okay? The derivative daw ng k. Yung k daw is a constant. Pag sinabi mong constant, any number, whether it's decimal, fraction, radical, no? Basta constant, laging 0 ang kanyang derivative. And the derivative of kx is equal to k. Okay? Wherein the k is constant. Teka lang, magkaiba yung number 3 and number 4, kasi yung number 4 mo may x, yung number 3 mo ay walang x. Okay? Please take note of that one kasi habang tumatagal, ito'y pahirap ng pahirap ang ating mga lessons. So, let's do the formula one by one. To apply this one, ito yung power rule natin. Sabi natin, yung n ilagay mo sa baba, sa harapan niya, then n minus 1. So let's try to have this example. The derivative of x cubed. Well, basically, ang n niya is 3. So ilagay mo yung 3 sa unahan niya, magiging 3x. Then bawasan mo ng 1 yung nasa taas, 3x squared. Then next example. Derivative of x to the 5th, x to the 5, no? So yung 5 ay yung n, no? So therefore you have your 5x to the 4th, right? Then you have your the derivative of x is equal to 1. Okay? Take a note, x equals 1. Now, pagsamahin natin yung dalawa. Okay? Now we will combine the two. So, isa dito, isa dito. So, we have the derivative of x to the 5th plus x is equal to, gagawin yung unang derivative ng bawat isa. So, you have there the derivative of x to the 5th plus the derivative of x. Very simple. The derivative of x to the 5th is 5x to the 4th. And the derivative ng x is equal to 1. Pasensya na kayo, medyo nabubulil ako ng konti. No? So, let's proceed to the next example. Ito sabi niya, the derivative of the k is equal to 0, where k is actually a constant. So, for example, what do you mean by that one? So, the derivative of 5 is a constant. Number lang siya. So, automatically, 0 ang kanyang derivative. The derivative of 0.2 is a decimal, di ba? 0.2. So, kahit pa siya decimal, because decimal is a constant, then the derivative will be equal to 0. Then the derivative of 2 out of 7 is a fraction. Again, 0 pa din siya. Kahit derivative ng pi, pi is a transcendental number. So, that one is still 0. Kahit the square root of 2, square root of 3, may mga radical. Square root of 3, derivative of square root of 3 is again equal to 0. Tandaan nyo lang, any constant, the derivative is always equal to 0. Let's proceed to this example. This one is a constant times the certain variable. Diba? Well, it's so simple. It's just is equal to k is equal to the constant. Take a look. Yung k, yung katabi ni x, that's the numerical coefficient of your x, right? So let's try to have another example. 0.2x. Again, the k is 0.2. Yun yung number na katabi ni x. Then you have the derivative of 2 out of 7, x is equal to 2 out of 7. Okay? So Those are the derivatives that we have learned so far. This time, what are we going to do? Ito yung part 1 natin, ano yung derivative ng 1 to 4. So let's try to combine the 1, 2, 3, 4 formulas. So let's try to have the following. The derivative of x to the 4th plus x cubed. Hold on. The derivative of x to the 4th plus 3x plus 1 is equal to isa-isahin nyo lang, di ba? The derivative of x to the 4th, yung form mo ilagay mo sa harap, then 4 minus 1 is 3, 4x cubed. The derivative of 3x is equal to 3. Then the derivative of 1 is equal to 0. So therefore, the answer now is 4x cubed plus 3. All right, let's try to have one more example. So the derivative of 7x to the 4th. As you can see, this one, you can't find it in this formula. So what you're gonna do is simple, just rewrite it first. Okay, the derivative of 7x to the 4th ay parehas lang siya. It's actually similar if you put the 7 outside of it. Ilabas mo yung 7. So 7 derivative of x to the 4th. Again, ang dalawang to ay pareho. Pwede mo siyang ilabas. Okay, kahit pen 1/2, ilabas mo yung 1/2. Kahit pen 3/4, ilagay mo yung 3/4. Take note, the one that you will put outside is the numerical coefficient of x to the 4th. Not yung 4, kundi yung numerical coefficient. So therefore, the derivative of 7x to the 4th, now you can rewrite it like this. And then the derivative of x to the 4th we have learned is 4x cubed. No? Sinabi natin siya ay 4x cubed. I'm sorry, my handwriting is really bad. 4x cubed. And times 7. So that's why you have there 28x cubed. Okay? So I think that's it for this first series. I just want to make it really, really short so you don't get bored. In the next series, I'm going to discuss the next formulas, and then I'm going to give you some worksheets to do if you would like to. Okay, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is just for free, and this is just my passion. So hopefully that you'll be able to support my passion, and yeah, it's getting exciting. Okay, pupunta pa lang tayo sa mas exciting part. Thank you very much and have a good day. Nasa lang kayo. Salamat po.